हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल के राइड 8452। आज की वीडियो में हम करेंगे DJI Osmo 360 की अनबॉक्सिंग। मैंने ये कैमरा आज ही ख़रीदा है। टुडे इज़ दिवालीज फर्स्ट डे, तो मुझे लगा बेस्ट ओकेजन है कैमरा ख़रीदने के लिए, बिकॉज आई वॉज फॉलोइंग दिस कैमरा फॉर लास्ट ऑलमोस्ट 3-4 months. I was doing a lot of research on 360 degree cameras. As most of you must be aware, its biggest competition is with Insta X5. So I also did a lot of research on the YouTube, on the Google, and saw a lot of comparison videos. But ultimately, my main reason to go for Osmo 360 was one of the reason I must honestly accept is I'm already having Action Pro 4, DJI Action Pro 4, and so having the same 360 camera from the same company basically gives me freedom to use the same batteries and the same accessories, and specifically DJI has kept the same batteries for Action 4 and Action 5 and this new 360 camera. So that gives me a lot of advantage, a lot of flexibility in my travels. Today's video I'm going to show you what is there inside the box, what is this camera all about. I'm not going to tell you all the features and all, but we will just unbox it. You can see I have taken an adventure combo, because in the adventure combo from the camera you get the protective pouch, you get the 3 batteries in total with the case. Then you have this quick release mount, you have the selfie stick, you have the this rubber lens protector. So I decided to go for the complete bundle, because my main intention to go for this camera is mainly the motovlogging, or at least filming my bike rides, if not the vlogging itself. But I think from that perspective I wanted the extra batteries, even though I had gone for the same bundle for my Action 4. So because of that also I already have these batteries, 3 batteries with this case. But I thought it is still better to go for Osmo 360 bundle, because now I have 6 batteries and 2 cases, which gives me a good confidence that I will never be short of the power for both of my cameras. And the best part is I can swap the batteries in any camera which requires the battery at that time, so that gives me great flexibility. So adventure combo is written here. I'm not sure how the only camera box comes and what exactly comes in if we buy only camera, but here you can see there is a battery case, and there is a selfie stick, and then there is a 3 batteries that are going to come along with this. Some features are mentioned on the back side of the box apart from what is there in the box. And see, the price on the box is the 66,990 INR. If you can see it here, it is 66,990 INR, but currently it is available on Amazon, and I think it is also available in Chroma at 50,990. So that's the common price on most of the online platforms. Just one interesting thing, this camera during Dussehra, the price, I'm not sure, maybe due to GST change or what, was 47,990. And I was about to buy it, but I did not for some or the other reason. Anyways, so then the price increased to 50,990, and then it is not dropping. So I thought Dussehra has gone, I don't want to miss the Diwali as well, because I'm planning one trip in the month of November, so I wanted to buy it ultimately, and I have taken that decision. So let's now start opening it. Let's see what is there inside. So there is a complete plastic wrapping around it. So I will first cut the wrapping. Let's take out this wrapping completely. Now let's see how it opens. Okay, So I can see the arrow here, and of course I'm supposed to pull it off, so I will do that. It is taken. I'm not sure if there is any other. No, it was the only sticker I had to remove. Yeah, so here I go. I have opened the box, and as you can see there are two boxes inside. One is Osmo 360 and the other is accessories. As you can see here, there are two boxes inside. Okay, so I will take them out one by one. So here I pull the accessories box first, and okay, so there is a stick you can see inside. So basically there are three things. One is the camera box, other is this accessories box, and there is a stick. Let's first see what is there in the accessories box. Pretty interesting. How to open it? I can see there. I have to pull this. Okay, so here it goes. The first thing that has come out of this accessories box is the pouch. And okay, so it's a nice pouch. This is the pouch inside, and inside that pouch there is a C2C cable they have kept, and apart from that the quick release mount that is also kept inside the pouch. So as we can see, there is a quick release and this C cable inside the pouch. Let's keep it like that for now. There is this cleansing cloth is also there in the pouch. So basically there is a small pocket in the pouch to keep some of the stuffs, like maybe the memory card or the USB-C cable, once we keep the camera in the main pocket. So that is there, that we have seen. So I'll keep it here. Let's keep the plastic bags inside. The second thing that is coming up is I think this is the documentation. I will not open it and I will not unnecessarily make our video lengthy. This is some documentation, some stickers, something like that. I'm just keeping it back. I'll take out the main thing. So this is the battery case basically, and from the weight I can tell you the batteries are inside only, so it's pretty much there. Yeah, as you can see. So this is the these are the batteries. Okay, and now I can also show you, it is exactly same. This is my Action Pro 4 DJI camera. So you can see both the things here in the video, and both the batteries. I'll just take out one battery from the new 360 battery setup, and this is the Osmo Action 4. So you can see both are exactly the same batteries. Okay, so that's what I was talking about, that it gives me a lot of freedom now, that I can swap my batteries among both the cameras. So I'm keeping this back, and this is our battery case with the batteries. So I will keep this also, and that is pretty much in the accessory box. So let us keep the accessory box aside now. We have seen what was there inside. Now before I go to the camera, I'll pull out the selfie stick. So I will show you the selfie stick again. So okay, so this is an interesting selfie stick. This is a very nice selfie stick with 1x4 screw end, which is very universally compatible with most of the devices. And I am opening this up. It's quite lightweight. When we buy some low price selfie sticks, those are quite heavy to carry and all. This is quite lightweight compared to its length and feels very sturdy. That's nice. The quality is nice. And on the part of the selfie stick, I think it is a little bit different from what I have on the Action Pro. Not much, except this, the end. Now we will see the main thing. I'm opening the Osmo 360 main. Pretty much excited to have a look of this beauty. And here I take out, just keep the box aside. And I have heard a lot of things that the lenses are non-replaceable, so we have to be very careful. I don't want to make any mess right in my first video, unboxing video. So this is the camera. I hope you can see it clearly. This is the camera. There is a lens this side, a big screen this side. There is a power button, and then there is a I think the C port is there for charging. There is a camera on the other side. On the bottom you can see it's a 1x4 screw connection is there, so that we can connect the selfie stick, and also the quick release mount we can connect. And this mount is pretty much compatible with the earlier Action Pro camera's quick mount. So nice, I like the feel of it. But I have already ordered the lens protectors from the Amazon, but they are yet to come. The camera was 1-day delivery, so it has come. So till then I think I'll have to be very careful handling this, because you can't really keep it on the table or any surface, because either of the lens will touch it unless I keep it something like this for a moment, unless I have the lens protectors. So this is pretty good. This is pretty good camera, lightweight, feels nice. I will try to connect the selfie stick to it. Here is my selfie stick, and let's see how it goes. So this is how it will fit in the selfie stick. Wow, nice, feels nice. You can see I have connected the new selfie stick to the camera, and then this is how it looks. So I will remove it and I'll keep the selfie stick back. So this is it, guys. Maybe we will make another video when I use it for the first time. I will also have some shots of it so that I can put it in the same video, and this video we will limit it to the unboxing. So this is it. This is what you get in the adventure combo, and let's meet in the next video. I'll definitely put one more video about the video quality and the other stuff, and yeah, so let's see you in the next video. Thank you guys, bye bye.